Bernard Joseph Stanislaus Cahill, American cartographer and architect, was the inventor of the octahedral butterfly map. An early proponent of the San Francisco Civic Center, he also designed hotels, factories, and mausoleums like the Columbarium of San Francisco. His butterfly world map, like Buckminster Fuller's later Dymaxion map of 1943 and 1954, enabled all continents to be uninterrupted and with reasonable fidelity to a globe. Cahill demonstrated this principle by also inventing a rubber ball globe which could be flattened under a pane of glass in the butterfly form, then returned to its ball shape. A variant was developed by Gene Keyes in 1975, the Cahill-Keyes projection. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.